If you are visiting our channel for the first time, please subscribe first to get the latest updates. Hello everyone. Today we will learn another rule of derivatives that is the quotient rule that is applicable when you came across the function where the two functions are dividing with each other. So in such a case, you have to use a quotient rule. So here is a quotient rule that you need to follow in order to find the derivative of the functions that are in form that are dividing with each other. So in order to find the derivative of the quotient functions, you need to use the quotient rule. Let's have an example and find the derivative step by step. We will start with the simplest example, that is, so the example is f of x is equals to x squared divided by 3x minus 1. So here we have two functions that are dividing with each other. In the numerator we will label it as g of x and the denominator is h of x. So this is just the labeling. You can use any alphabet for denoting these functions. So we'll start with the step number 1. That is, step number one is to find g dash of x from the formula. As the formula is given, I have written it at the top. That is, the formula is g dash of x, h of x minus g of x, h dash of x divided by h of x whole square. So g dash of x means the derivative of g of x and h dash of x means the derivative of h of x. So first we will find the derivative of g dash of x, of g of x and h of x one by one. So find derivative of g of x. G dash of x is equals to d by dx of g of x. And what is g of x? G of x is the numerator of the given function, that is x square. So we have to find the derivative of x square. So according to the power rule, the derivative of x square is 2x. You have to move the power on the side and subtract 1 from the power. So subtracting 1 from the power, 2 minus 1 is 1, so it will become 2x. Then in the step 2 is find derivative of h of x, that is the denominator. So h dash of x is equals to d by dx of h of x, that is equal to d by dx of 3x minus 1. This is the denominator. So the derivative of 3x is 3 and 1 is derivative of 1 is 0. So the derivative of 3x minus 1 is 3. Then the next step is the step number 3. If you follow these steps, it will be easier for you to find the derivative. Step 3 is apply quotient rule. How? Let's see. So from the formula given above, we will write as f dash of x is equals to g dash of x, h of x minus g of x, h dash of x divided by h of x whole square. So I'll put the values here as f dash of x is equals to g dash of x is what? G dash of x is this 2 of x. So I'll write 2x here. H of x is what? H of x is the denominator. So I'll write 3x minus 1 here minus g of x is what? The denominator, that is x square, and h dash of x is this 3. So I'll write 3 here divided by h of x whole square. Then we'll simplify it as 6x square minus 2x minus 3x square divided by h of x is what? H of x is 3x minus 1. So I'll put 3x minus 1 whole square. So further simplify it as 6x square minus 3x square is 3x square minus 2x divided by 3x minus 1 whole square. So this is the derivative of the given function that is in quotient form. So this is how you can find the derivative of a function that is in quotient form in just 3 steps. In our next lecture, we will see how you can find the derivative of the quotients involving the trigonometric function. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel math.com for more updates. Thank you.